Hello bakers, and welcome back to an extra special video. Now, I'm a massive fan of YouTube star, acting, singing, dancing extraordinaire Todrick Hall, and this week he's releasing a brand new album called Forbidden. It's packed with 30 songs, some incredible features, so I just had to whip up a cake inspired by some of the album's visuals. To mark the release of Todrick's Forbidden, we're serving up a 3-tiered masterpiece inspired by some of the iconic outfits in his latest videos. This colourful design is packed with chocolate and vanilla sponges, buttercream and fondant accessories. To begin, you need to start by beating your butter and sugar together until light and fluffy. Add your eggs in one at a time with a little bit of flour if it begins to curdle. Add the remaining flour with some mixed spice and vanilla and then continue to mix through. To reflect the many different layers of Todrick, I've used alternating cake layers by leaving half the cake mix vanilla and dyeing the remainder black, pink and chocolate. Spread an even layer of your cake mix into greased and lined baking tins and then bake in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. While the cakes are cooling, you can make your buttercream by whisking together butter, icing sugar and milk until smooth. Level off your sponges and then stack each tier with an even layer of buttercream in between. Crumb coat the outsides and pop into the fridge to chill. Once set, you can add a second thicker layer of your icing before returning to the fridge. Now, our first tier is inspired by this outfit, and it's also a nod to one of my favourite songs from Straight Outta Oz, Black and White. Roll out some white and black fondant to half a centimetre thick and then cut into even strips. Starting at one corner, angle your strips along the cake and then trim off the excess. Continue the pattern around each side of the cake before finishing the top. Our second tier is inspired by Rue's outfit from Dem Beats, so I've rolled out some vibrant pink fondant, covered the cake, smoothed down the sides and then trimmed off the excess. You can then take a fondant knife and score the sides to create our hair-like texture. For his 90s inspired bow, I've cut out the electric shape from yellow modelling paste, added a loop over the middle and then taken a red food colouring pen to highlight the edges. And our final tier is inspired by the Forbidden album cover, so I've taken a palette of colourful buttercreams and smeared them over the sides and top of our chocolate buttercreamed cake. And for our last touch, I've recreated the unicorn horn from Todrick's outfit in Dem Beats as well. You'll need to roll out 2 sausages of grey fondant, thin down one side and then press them together. Twist round before attaching to a skewer. For an added glittery effect, I've airbrushed them with a metallic silver spray. All that's left to do is assemble the cake. If you're leaving it on show for a while, you'll want to use some cake dowel, but this one disappeared pretty quickly. Stick down your accessories to the front of the cake and then lower in your unicorn horn, and you're done! Our Forbidden cake is ready to hit the club. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe inspired by Forbidden. I'll leave some links down below so you can go and check out Todrick's stuff for yourself. But if you like this video, make sure you comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.